Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you my process start to finish creating this floral moon watercolour. I'll be using Koi Watercolors Creative Arts Colours Pocket Field Sketch Box. To start, I create a half moon shape using a protractor. This usually takes me a few attempts. I then sketch out rough flower and leaf shapes along with some decorative pieces. Once I'm happy with this, I will start to move on to the fun part, painting. So this is the art set. As you can see, I decided to swatch all my colours because I've never used this set before, so I wanted to know exactly what I'd be working with and which colours I wanted to use. Really happy with how these look. The pinks especially are coming out, and the neon colours are just amazing, as you'll see in a minute how bright they are. There's those neon colours. The pink and the yellow are just wow. So really pleased with these. So then I start to move on to the actual painting itself. Now I'm working with blending the colours outwards, so I'm layering up towards the inner of the flowers and then blending it out to create lighter shades at the end. Next I'm just filling in the yellow and moving on to the leaves. So for this I use the neon green in the palette, which is a beautiful bright vibrant colour, and also added some of the darker sparkly green to this to create a sort of shaded effect onto the leaf. So now I'm happy with all that, I'm going to move on to the inner colour. So for this I wanted to use a gold colour, so I chose the really beautiful gold that came with this set that I'm using. So I'm just filling this all in, quite a few layers because I like it to be quite vibrant, quite pigmented looking. So next I'm adding some acrylic ink. I just wanted to create a bit of an abstract feel to the picture, so I'm splattering, really adding some purples in there as well in just a moment, just to give it a bit more of an abstract look, which is a bit more me. I'm not a very polished finish kind of artwork. So after I'd let this dry, I moved on to the black line work. I like to do this to make the flowers stand out and add more details. It just brings everything together, I find. So what I've done here is I've started off with a thinner marker, and then I'll just move on to a thicker one in just a moment, which gives a bit more definition on the flowers especially. Just give those flowers an extra bit of definition and just makes them really stand out, which is what I really like to do. And lastly, I just outline the edges of the moon that aren't covered by the flowers. And a few little finishes, and we're nearly there. And here is the final result. I hope you like it.